Greetings and welcome to Learning English Through Sustainability Education. This is the place you can learn, practice, and use your English skills while learning about sustainability. Sustainability? Yes, indeed. To sustain, able to last for a long time or forever. As you're aware, humanity is facing huge problems right now, and the biggest is not COVID-19. Climate change and nuclear war are far greater threats, and the world needs you to help solve these problems. The good news is that there are lots and lots and lots of people who are giving their attention, energy, and passion to this task. So you have more than enough friends out there to help you. These folks are from every corner of the globe, and the medium of connection is English. The online course here, Learning English Through Sustainability and Global Issues, was created to help you improve your English proficiency, learn about sustainability, and to help you communicate and collaborate effectively with your fellow activists. So dive in and get started. And please feel free to contact me with your questions, comments, and/or your work. The website is www.terrapromise.org. The Facebook group is Learning English Through Sustainability and Global Issues. And the email is englishthroughsustainability@gmail.com. Look forward to hearing from you.